Happy birthday to you. Oh, they've gone out. Happy birthday to Harvey. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Right, you get first pick. I'm all right with these.
Yay!
Hello guys, hey? Oh, Tina's just sorting the caravan out. Oh, what a palaver we've had today. But before we get to that, how you all doing? You doing anything on this lovely bank holiday Sunday? I mean, look at the weather. It is gorgeous. And believe it or not, it's meant to be like this all weekend. Hopefully you can hear me. I haven't got the microphone on at the minute. So, caravan's up. God, what a drive we had here as well. Where's Jenson? Jenson's here with us today. What?
Will the lettuce be alright, Al?
Yeah, should be. We've got Harvey. You just seen, we just wished him happy birthday. Andrew's here. Turning the camera around like that, I can't see what it's filming. I'll tell you what I'll do though. I'll turn the brightness up so I can see a little bit better. There we go. Well, look who else is here. Oreo. Come here. Who's that? Can you see her? It's Oreo. Oreo's back. Mel's tent's here.
Oh, I can't lift that.
You see there? That's Mel's tent. Our caravan's here.
Jenson!
Hey. I ain't put awning up this time because I reversed it a little bit close to Mel's tent, but not too phased. We just said to Mel we're going to bombard her tent instead. Say hello, Mel.
Get the best seats before I take them.
Yeah, so we're all gonna bombard Mel's tent because we ain't got the awning. But the weather's meant to be like this for a good week or so. So, like I said, we've got some nice little trips for you. We've got 3 different campsites. Any of you recognise this who's been following us for a while?
No.
Let's go a bit further out. Let's see if any of you recognise where we are. Right, you got the entrance there. Obviously, we're at this side now. Last time we were down there. Anyone recognise it? Obviously, we got some beer. This side. These are Mel's friends, which obviously we've got to say hello to. We've already said hello to them, but we ain't actually met them yet. We will see at some point. They've already been warned that they're going to be on YouTube, so... Yeah, we're back at... Have you all guessed yet? Put it in the comments. Glen camping back at Barnard Castle. Oh, really? I hope I didn't get that on camera. I'm thinking Jenson's trumping already. Deary me. Not going to any waterfalls this time because obviously my leg, and guess what I've forgotten? Me crutch. Yeah, what? I'll just try and squeeze it somewhere. I can't have a look. It's only that carton of milk anyway, babe. Leave it out if you have to. Oh, whilst I'm here, may as well. Yeah. I'm already started. Cheers. Oh, it's lovely. It's nice and cold because it's been in the camping fridge on the way with the ice blocks. Yeah, we didn't get here till late again. If you're wondering what that is on my chin. If you look at my hands, you remember last week, weren't it? When we were away. Yeah, I got burnt, and that's what that is. Picked it off and bled. But you're going to have to wait. That's not yours. But anyway, like I say, it's all hectic, all the kids are want. But anyway, we're late here to say. Was going to be a bit earlier, a couple of hours earlier, but we had trouble with, not so much that we thought we did, because I got plugged it all into the car to check all my lights. So I got Tina to do it. So this one here is this light. They were working fine. These were working fine, except the indicator. Yeah. So me thinking it was a Caravan, you know, you got to think this is almost 30 years old. So me thinking, oh, something else wrong with it. I ended up finding out, I'm not sure how it is, we got here alright, it was working, but I think, I'm not sure if you can see the cable at the back? I was wiggling that, which is on, I'm not sure if you've seen it because I couldn't see the screen, but I was wiggling that while Tina was at the back, I had my hazards on and that light was flickering. So I think, I'm not sure if it's a loose connection in the cable or it had a bad connection where you put the caravan to the car, I don't know. Harvey's playing down there.
Yeah, I've got my washing machine out.
Yeah, he's got his new washing machine for his birthday. If you're wondering why, it's sensory things. He's got autism, you see, he's getting checked for it, and so this sort of thing, these are sort of things he does, the things that spin. Let's take a seat a minute, shall we? Oh, that's better. Sun's in my face, like. But, I mean, we are on now. What time are we on?
Well, we have on fire tonight.
8 o'clock. I mean, we've got here, what, about an hour ago? So we should have been about 5 o'clock, we should have been here, but because of that, I was expecting to wait. Oh, hang on, we ain't going to be able to go. So, yeah, I was a bit gutted at first, and so was Tina. We were having a bit of a bicker because of it. But we thought we'd take the risk, and it stayed on there, so I don't know what it is. Oh, pardon me. But gonna have to put some sun cream on, I think, this week, ain't we? But we've had a couple of new subscribers as well, so hello to you all, and all the recent subscribers and all the old subscribers. Obviously, yous are all got to remember as well, we can't do none of this without yous. Because if we didn't have you subscribers that actually enjoy watching us, I wouldn't be doing it. You got to remember when we first started, because it's just over a year now, because it was April was our first year on YouTube. I was, you know, we were nervous on camera. Still am a little bit, you know, when you have a break off the camera for a bit, like we have, like with me leg and that, not filming as much. It's hard to get back into it, isn't it? But we got there, we're camping again. Obviously, I've got booked in at hospital on the 9th of June, check on my leg. So we've got to see what goes on after there. Obviously I'm walking on it, but every so often I have to use my crutch because my leg does get painful from all the walking. But don't know what our plans are at the minute, because obviously we got here late, it's 8 o'clock. Obviously we just had something to eat, we just had wraps again. It's just something easy when you've been driving, you know, it's 2 hours drive, then you have problems. And it seems to be, it's just one thing after, you can't, but you don't want to be cooking. So we just done some ham and cheese wraps and just had a couple of them. And now we're on the beer. I'll have to get some whiskey out later, won't I? Some Red Stag, as Chris says. Red Stag Black Cherry. If you ain't tried it, go and try it. It's lovely stuff. But I'll tell you one thing, what you should have it with. I normally have it with Coke. I'll tell you what I've started drinking it with. Dr. Pepper. Or, to bring the cherry out even more, Pepsi Cherry. Absolutely beautiful. It's Tina.
Hello.
How you getting on?
Alright, you need to go and have a look at that food.
I'm going to have to shoot off then, because she wants me to go and have a look at things. I don't know what, because I'm useless at things like that.
Sort out.
Has it started getting cold that yet? You got to get chances on gas in it, because we still haven't got the electric problem sorted. You're going to have to wait. Harvey keeps wanting water for this washing machine. Yes, you can put water in it. It's one that you can. Alright. But anyway, I'll tell you what, I'll get back to you in a bit. Let's get all this sorted first, and then we can get back to you, can't we? But anyway, like I said, thank you all so much for the new subscribers. Can't do none of this without all of you, you know that. You know, more subscribers we get, the better, and it means the world to us. So, we'll see you very shortly. Ta-da! Hey up, guys. Go camping, some of Mel's friends here. Just found out, the little lad here, he's a YouTuber. Gonna give a channel a shout out.
Jizz Turbo stuff.
So if you got that, go over and check him out. He's into the Hot Wheel cars. And what other things do you do?
Just random, like, gaming, just random things.
So basically yours is all about the younger generation then?
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically younger generation, not like me, I'm getting on now. But all the younger lot, if there's anyone that enjoys following us with families and that who have got kids, go and check his channel out as well. He's into all the cars, Hot Wheel cars, obviously the gaming. What are you doing at the minute? Loft conversion for your bedroom or something, ain't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so go over and check him. He's got a loft conversion happening as well. I'm going to go and join everyone now. I'm just waiting for this fire because Mel lit a fire up, look. And I've got to wait for that to die down a little bit. I've got to go and close the car up anyway whilst I'm waiting. Go and get a drink as well. And then we'll go and join them, eh? Shall we? Take you all with us. See you soon. Hey up guys. Harvey wants to say hello as well.
Hello.
Look at how clear that picture looks. It's actually getting dark. What time are we on?
Well, a few. 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock and look, it's still light. Well, you won't pick it up on the camera, but look at it over there. Beautiful sky. Having a few drinks, but look at what I got. Got this off my dad yesterday. I'm not normally a wine drinker, but I thought I'll have a wine with Mel.
I'm being a party pooper.
Yeah, Tina's got one of her headaches, well, migraine headaches again, bless her. It's been a bit of a stressful day, but look at this, in a pink cup. No, been a stressful day. Obviously, set off to pick the caravan up. Watch that cup, mate. Harvey, pulling faces. Because obviously one of my indicators weren't working on the van, if you remember me saying to you before. And obviously then me forgetting one of my crutches, so I've got to try and see if there's a shop now in Barnard Castle. Barnard Castle was actually that way. So I'm not sure what we're doing the weekend yet. Didn't you say they've got some bit things on this weekend downtown?
Yeah, depends if you can walk.
Yeah, I know, but it depends if I can find a stick in that and see how far it is to walk. So we'll sort some it, we always do. I mean, my leg hasn't been too bad today, but it's always best to have in case my leg starts, because I can be fine 1 second and my leg will kick off the next. Got more campers here behind us, look, is that a bell tent they call them? Yeah. And then we've got Mel's tent. Hang on, where are we? Because I can't see there. There's Mel sitting on the floor as usual. I've got a chair in there.
Yeah, I've got seats.
But the problem is, she doesn't want to sit on them in case she falls through them. If you remember last year when we done a video. What are you eating? Oh, a drink. I thought he was eating something, but it's not. He's got a drink.
I got a drink.
Yeah. They're on the shorts after like you, ain't you? What have you got? You want to show what you've got?
Oh.
You.
A Dr. Pepper?
Yeah, show them. There it is, the hard stuff, look.
Oh good.
There you go.
The hard stuff, Dr. Pepper.
Is that Dr. Pepper?
Yeah.
What's that? Jenson. She said you got it.
Oh, there you are. There's Jenson. Let's get Jenson on camera. There he is. Actually, I've got everybody on.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, you're on video.
Give us a wave. He's hiding. Camera shy. Well, I was getting Jenson, and everybody was in it.
Oh, Ross kids.
No, but what I'm saying, I was getting Jenson, but everybody was ended up in the camera. I didn't realise. Not until I got it up in the air, anyway.
You don't mind just putting it on, do you, YouTube? No.
We ain't got that many subscribers at the minute anyway, so that's fine. We need some more views actually. Come and get subscribing. Come and join us as well if you want. But no, just chilling. I've got my speaker in there as well. I ain't got it out. I ain't had it out since we come. Have I? Oi. Got that blinking speaker in there, and I ain't even had it out yet.
No.
Got the speaker in the caravan there, but I ain't had it out since we've been camping. Bit of a bore, innit? Did have a fire going. Did you have any wood? Oh, just kindling. Yeah. Kindling. It's with a D, innit? Kindling. Is it kindling? Jenson saying hello. I don't know where Andrew is. He's gone wandering somewhere. Is he here? I'm not sure if you can see him. He is just over there.
He's got a blue ring around.
It's the one with the blue ring.
And white t-shirt.
Yeah, that's his school top actually. So they're playing with them. them balloon things you bump into each other with. Anyway, we'll catch you all in a bit. Gonna chill now, have a few drinks and chat. So we'll see you soon. Hey guys, it's gone dark. Gone dark. That's just alright, it's on low. Oh, gone dark. I don't know if you can even see Mel. Is Mel there? There she is. Just catch a look. Who's over there?
I'm here.
Jenson.
You can see me, I got fire.
Where's Parker? Parker, can you see yourself?
No.
No, hang on.
See him.
Oh, you're just there. I can just see you there.
No.
Andrew's in the background somewhere there with a light, which you can't see because it's shining. No. No. So yeah, we've got the fire on, look.
Where?
Got a little fire going.
Hello.
I'll get a picture of that in a minute. So yeah, had a good night, just chilling now. Everybody else has gone into their tents and chilling. I'll have mine in a second. But you can't really see me, can you? So I might as well wait now till we get in the caravan and go to bed. So we're just chilling, having a drink around the fire. So we'll all see you again soon. Ta-da!